Welcome. Today we'll be exploring the fundamentals of debit and credit cards, understanding their differences, and how to make the right choice for your financial needs. Let's dive into the key differences. Debit cards draw funds directly from your bank account, while credit cards allow you to borrow money up to a certain limit. When should you use a debit card versus a credit card? Debit cards are great for everyday purchases, while credit cards can provide benefits for larger expenses or emergencies. Both cards can come with fees, but typically debit cards may have fewer charges. However, it's essential to read the fine print. Responsible credit card use can help you build your credit history, which is crucial for future loans. Debit cards limit you to the funds you have, while credit cards provide a borrowing amount that can impact your financial planning. Credit cards often come with rewards programs. Think cashback, travel points, and discounts that can enhance your purchases. Security is vital. Credit cards generally offer better fraud protection compared to debit cards. When choosing your card, consider your spending habits and financial goals. Most importantly, choose what fits your lifestyle. In summary, whether you choose a debit or credit card, it's essential to assess your needs and make informed decisions. Thanks for watching.